Hey, it's How to Draw from Welcome to Nana's. Today we're going to use that same sphere shape to draw a baseball. So draw that circle and add the shadow to the bottom left because we're pretending like there's a light coming from the top right and it's coming down onto that sphere and making that shadow. And then you add the contour lines and some shading around the edge of that sphere. Do a little smudging, that's my favorite part. And I'm increasing the line around that ball to make it kind of pop out. And then look at where those seams go on the baseball. They make kind of a gentle S curve and then a backward S curve on each side of the ball. Then you're going to add the laces onto those lines, which are just basically little V's that you put on each of those seam lines. And yes, I see that I made them the wrong direction on the second seam. Oops, that's okay. Little bit of smudged writing on the ball, or maybe where someone hit the ball. Add just a little more to that contouring to make sure I feel like it looks nice and round. So there you have it. How to draw a baseball. You did it. Great job. So come to welcometonanas.com and join us for more tutorials on how to draw.